cloudy with a chance of rain showers. Waves around 1 foot. Sunday, northeast winds.
There it is.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Nuevo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Nuevo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Nuevo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device.
Here is the nearshore forecast for one. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. During periods of potential severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver and perfect working condition. This tone alert will be activated for select watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, Fort, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Alaska, and Jay. In Ohio, William, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Aldine,
Tested early.
and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming. Now here is the forecast.
So this thing didn't activate. For some reason, it had.
Southeast wind 5
Like-
to 15 miles per hour.
Oh, I guess it was in a bad spot. But then over here, we come over here to my desk. Mr. WR400 activated. And then, of course, the 12259, it activated to this one. And if I can get it to go to the other one. I don't know how to make it show more than one event at the same time. But this is KXI94's weekly test, and it also went off for WWF34's weekly test. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then the HH went off. So yeah, pretty good test, if you ask me.